Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe. Here, you will discover the art of Dum Pukht Biryani, a dish that combines rich flavors and fragrances to create a truly unforgettable culinary experience. Dum Pukht Biryani is a traditional Indian dish that originated in the kitchens of the Nawabs of Awadh. The term, Dum Pukht, refers to the slow cooking technique used to prepare the biryani, which involves sealing the ingredients in a pot with dough and cooking them over a low flame for several hours. This method of cooking allows the spices and aromatics to infuse into the meat and rice, resulting in a dish that is both tender and flavorful. At Chef Mariam's, we take great pride in crafting the perfect Dum Pukht Biryani. We start by selecting the finest ingredients, including premium cuts of meat, aromatic spices, and aged basmati rice. Our biryani is cooked slowly and meticulously, with each step in the process carefully monitored to ensure that every ingredient is cooked to perfection. One of the keys to our Dum Pukht Biryani is the blend of spices we use. Our secret spice blend is a closely guarded family recipe that has been passed down through generations. It includes a blend of whole and ground spices, including cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves, among others. When combined with meat and rice, these spices create a complex and layered flavor profile that is truly irresistible. Whether you are new to Indian cuisine or a seasoned fan, we invite you to experience the magic of Dum Pukht Biryani. Each bite is a journey through the rich history and cultural traditions of India, and we are honored to share this culinary treasure with you. Thank you for visiting Chef Mariam's website, and we look forward to serving you soon. Introduction. 1. Dum Pukht Biryani is a traditional Indian dish that has its roots in the Awadhi cuisine of the Indian subcontinent. 2. The dish is known for its slow cooking technique, which involves sealing the ingredients in a pot with dough and cooking them over a low flame for several hours. 3. The ingredients used in Dum Pukht Biryani include premium cuts of meat, aged basmati rice, and a blend of aromatic spices, such as cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves. 4. The slow cooking method allows the flavors and aromas of the spices to infuse into the meat and rice, resulting in a dish that is tender, flavorful, and aromatic. 5. Dum Pukht Biryani is a popular and beloved dish in India and around the world, and it is often served on special occasions and celebrations. 5. Dum Pukht Biryani is a traditional Indian dish that is known for its rich and aromatic flavors. This biryani is slow cooked on a low flame, allowing the flavors and aromas of the spices and meat to infuse into the rice, resulting in a delicious and flavorful dish. In this blog, Chef Mariam will share her special recipe for Dum Pukht Biryani that you can easily make in your own kitchen. Ingredients. 1 kilogram bone-in and boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. 2 cups aged basmati rice. 1 large onion, sliced. 2 to 3 large tomatoes, chopped. 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped. 2 tablespoons ginger paste. 2 tablespoons garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1/2 cup fresh coriander leaves, chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil, salt to taste. Instructions. 1. Wash the basmati rice in cold water and soak it in water for at least 30 minutes. 2. Heat the cooking oil in a huge pot or Dutch stove. 2. Add cumin and coriander seeds and fry for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. 3. Add the cut onions and broil until they are brilliant brown. 3. Then, add the ginger and garlic paste and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. 4. Add the chicken pieces and cook until the chicken is no longer pink on the outside. 5. Add the chopped tomatoes, green chilies, and all of the spices. 5. Mix well and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and the chicken is cooked through. 6. Add the plain yogurt and mix well. 6. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the yogurt is fully incorporated. 7. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. 7. Add sufficient water to cover the rice by about an inch. 8. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid or foil. 8. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the rice is fully cooked and the water has been absorbed. 9. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot. Chef Mariam's tips. Using a combination of bone-in and boneless chicken can result in a more tender and flavorful biryani. Aged basmati rice is important for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Adjust the number of spices and chili powder to your personal taste preference. Sealing the pot with a tight-fitting lid or foil is key to achieving the perfect flavor and aroma. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's special recipe for Dum Pukht Biryani is a delicious and flavorful dish that is sure to impress your friends and family. With a few simple ingredients and some patience, you can recreate this classic Indian dish in your own kitchen. So why not give it a try and experience the delicious flavors of Dum Pukht Biryani today? Chef Mariam is known for her passion for traditional Indian cuisine, and her special twist on the classic Dum Pukht Biryani is to use a combination of both bone-in and boneless chicken in her recipe. This allows the flavors to infuse into the meat even more, resulting in a tender and juicy biryani. Additionally, Chef Mariam emphasizes the importance of using high-quality aged basmati rice to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. She also suggests adjusting the number of spices and chili powder according to your personal taste preference, as the level of heat can vary depending on the type and quality of the spices used. Chef Mariam also recommends using a tight-fitting lid or foil to seal the baking dish when cooking the biryani in the oven, as this helps to trap the flavors and aromas inside the dish, resulting in a truly authentic and flavorful Dum Pukht Biryani. Overall, Chef Mariam's special information for making the perfect Dum Pukht Biryani includes using a combination of bone-in and boneless chicken, high-quality aged basmati rice, and adjusting the level of spices and chili powder to personal taste preference. Sealing the baking dish tightly is also key to achieving the perfect flavor and aroma.